Sonsri kam sikok na nila ng sirap ng teto ng Tuhan, kopay kini ang di sama sama ng Kulang tu ropi sano. Adun tu dotuna. Something kita dalam society, mentor, advisor, chief advisor, bigi sore kini abang ki, alami. Kecepatan pik, lapen bigi sore. Kuala situation yang kami dalam dekai kat cerah pemerintah tu. Season 1 kepang tinggal hidup, non season 2 penuhi grand final ni. Alami ini actor, director, and singer. He is no other than our brother. Kasi pada korte kata soling ti. Alami kan tu hak lampe kijai kansi cebi polika.
Good evening, everyone. Pili nadat session to dance, helping long dance along. Naitong room. Sir John Ko, President Karbi Cultural Society, Editor Lipton Robi, the Durango Express, and dignitaries Api Haitu, Lapan Independent Kotong Kita parents, guardians their policy, Lapan, Aklimang Har, all my loving brothers and sisters. So first of all, I would like to give my heartiest kudos to every one of you for attending this program in the grand finale of the Session 2 Dance Cartoon Dance. Lasi, for people see that Dance Cartoon Dance Kibina Kokma. Why we have taken this initiative for organizing such program? Because